Hello, and this is Donna from Thread Treasures Embroidery. Right now, we are going to take the little paw print um, monogram frame that had been digitized, and we're going to turn this into an applique design real quick. So, what we're going to do is take this first little paw pad, and we're going to convert this to an outline. And we're gonna actually paste this in or copy it and paste it in 3 times here, or actually just for this we can just do 2 times. So and this one we're gonna change the color because we don't want or we want our machine to be able to stop for color changes and everything. This is actually kind of like a placement line for where you would lay your material. And then this second one over here is actually going to be the applique. So we will make this an applique, and we're going to put this at 3 millimeters. And from there, we will go ahead and delete this first one. So you will have your applique there. We're going to have to actually kind of just slightly move these a little bit, just so that there's plenty of room. And we will actually convert this one to an outline too. We're going to take the same process where we copy and paste it. The first one, we will set the same color as we did, that strawberry color. And then we will take this one and actually change the parameters as well, making it applique and 3 millimeters. And we will delete this one now that we have the applique piece. We will do the exact same thing from here. Convert it to an outline. Copy and paste. Take the initial one and make it the same strawberry color. I mean, you can make it actually any color. You just want it to be different so that your machine will stop. Take this one, change the parameters, applique 3, delete this, and we will do the last little paw pad up here. Convert it to a line, copy and paste, change the color of the very first one, change the parameters for the second version of it, and then we will go ahead and delete that. So we will actually take this one and move it over just, whoops, I have to grab both of them, so I will undo, take both of these and move it over just slightly, maybe not quite that much. There we go. So the next part will be this that we're going to turn in. So again, we will convert this to a line, and we will copy and paste it. Turn the initial color to something else. I'm going to stick with the same strawberry color. And now, instead of changing the parameters of this, because I've got this long line that I'm going to need to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this 2 more times. This one will be a tack down. I'll change the color of this one to be just something else, like we'll stick almond in here. This one, I'm going to change the parameters to be satin stitches. My width is going to be 1.5, but my density, let's do 8 and see what that looks like. I may be able to take it up even higher than that. That's going to be kind of like what holds it down after you trim it. I can take my density up even more, so let's go 12 and see what that looks like. Okay, so we have that there. And then this one, this is going to be the satin stitch, but because I'm going to have satin go from here to here, I'm going to just actually edit this one and remove this last node that I put in. I'm going to delete it so that it will end here. I will make this satin stitches and change my width to 3. Generate my stitches, and then that way you can see the satin go here but not here. So I will go from here over to this side in a running stitch, and then back all the way. I'll change this to satin and make it 3. Generate my stitches, and then you can get rid of that part. We will change the color of this to be all the same. We'll delete that, sorry. So now we have this, and the last thing that we're going to need to do is turn this section right here into the applique, and we're going to do the exact same steps as we did before. We're going to convert this to an outline, and then we're going to cut it and paste it 3 times. So the initial one we're going to turn to the strawberry color. Okay, this one would be the same as this one, which would be your actual little tack down line. This one we will change the color like we did above to the almond, and we're going to change the parameters on this one to make it the satin and the width. Let's see if I can do it that way. Nope. Make it satin, density of 12, and the width of 1.5. Generate, and there you see that. This one, which will be the actual satin stitch, we're going to edit, and we'll again remove the last node. We will leave it, make it satin stitches with the width of 3 again. Generate our stitches. Take our quick running stitch from here over, and then from here back to this side we will change this to a satin with the width of 3. Generate our stitches. Make these all the same brown color. And then we can get rid of the ones back here. So now you have successfully turned the little paw print split frame into an applique. I hope you like it. Like, subscribe, and share, and we will talk to you later. Bye.